Hello to all my friends from the United States. Let me say thank you very much for this wonderful and powerful vehicle, which already helps me in my ministry as a chaplain of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. I serve in the Eastern region on the front line in Donbass region. We travel hundreds of kilometers every day in order to cover with our ministry different units we are in charge. Sometimes we travel on very bad roads, and this car is the best friends in such moments. Sometimes we move through the territories where we need to move very fast because there is a threat of drones. We needed a car with a rather large trunk because chaplains bring with them not only boxes with the gospels and prayer books. We carry with us sweets, some products, medicine, and other helpful stuff that our fellow soldiers need. As you can see, the vehicle we purchased with your generous help meets all the necessary requirements of for chaplaincy service. There is a reason to express our heartfelt gratitude once again to all the brothers and sisters who participated in this. Without doubt, God's word. My special thanks go to Richard Stram, who was one of the first to respond to help when he heard that my previous car had been burned by people recruited by Russian intelligence. Hugs to all with the love of Christ. Thank you very much, dear brothers and sisters, once again.